What actually happens inside your body when you progressive overload? Most people think it's just lifting heavier weights, but inside your muscles it triggers a biological alarm. As the load increases, mechanoreceptors inside each muscle fiber switch on, sending a signal to mTOR, the pathway that tells your body to grow. The tension deforms tiny protein structures, creates microscopic stress, and your muscle realizes one thing: this weight is a threat. So it adapts. It rebuilds stronger, thicker fibers, so next time the load feels easier. Stop challenging the muscle, the signal stops, progress stops.